Hello everybody, it's Tyler Bunn here with another video, and we're going to do an FBI open up thing. So basically I'm only allowed to use Spartans, archers and obviously miners. So we're going to only upgrade them and upgrade our statue. I need coins, so yeah, let's just do that. There we go. I am not going to upgrade my giant, even though I accidentally put on the giant avatar one. Good luck, my dear. I hope you win. Thanks, Ruth. Okay, guys, we're going to put a few miners down, and yeah. I don't feel like putting loads of archers or archidons right now is good. We'll just have two and make them attack. Okay, now you can defend. Guys, can you see this damage reflect? Oh wait, no. We must go kill that giant. If we don't, we could be dead. Guys, we're doing damage. I hate you, giant. Guys, I think it's safe to say that this tactic cannot make you win. The FBI open up. It's all because of the giant. If there's no giants, then this would be easy as good. See guys, that's the effect. Oh, we have to kill that wizard. Goodbye, wizard. Now we have to kill them. Sword Wraith. Let's go. Guys, right now it's only Spartans that we're using. Okay guys, let's just take this guy. Oh wait, no. There's archidons. We're gonna kill them. He has a couple. I hate your archidons. Yes, I killed him. And that giant just kind of boosted me. Okay. Yes, 104 damage. Haha. Okay, let's get all my guys and my friends down here. Giant, I have friends, you realise. What does this do? Ruth, you just equipped an Archidon fire attack. Guys, it's safe to say that giants just ruin the whole play. We need loads of, you guys know, Spartans and a few archers just to do it. If you don't, then you're pretty much in the bin. Okay guys, we're going to keep it on attack and let our Spartans do the job. Okay, we're going to just go through everything. Kill this Archidon. Yes. Let's go! Come on guys, we're so close. We can win this. Go on then. Go on game. Go on then. Let's go. Let's go on then. And guys, 3, 2, 1. Yes! Let's do this. Okay guys, I'm going to quickly pause the video because there'll be an ad. Okay guys, in this one we have to build a team with, you guys know, just a small amount of gold. We're gonna, I think I want to rush it. Okay, no rocks, so yeah, I'm gonna rush it with one Archidon and one miner. And then put it on attack. Okay, if this guy has an Archidon, we could be in the pits. And we're not. Go on, Archidon. Oh, he just gained stuff. Okay guys, we definitely need some stuff. Let's just quickly grab our souls. Can't put that Archidon shot on them. Go on, Archidon. Easy! That's what I like to see. It's just easy. Okay guys, we're just gonna keep it like this. Oh, this guy's still my tactic now, except he is not sending. You know what, I'm just gonna get a Spearton down here. I wish I could do this challenge like really quick. If I could, then that would be the key to me winning. Comment down below what other challenges I can do, guys. Okay guys, we're gonna grab another Spearton. As you guys know now, we have 4 Speartons. Or as you can see. Well, you can't see the 4. Okay, now you can. And we're getting our 5th one already. Hey. Oh my guys, he has loads of archers. Right, I must kill this guy. Your Archidons, I'm making them head into the pits. I could be heading into the pits all because of this guy's Archidon counter. Haha! He's going back. I hate this guy. I've had enough of his Archidons. I don't believe they did that. I don't believe that they flipping did that to me. We're going to get Archidons of our own. He's going to build another big team. But look at all them archers. We're going to build an Archidon team and yeah. Probably go kill him. Alright guys, I'm going to quickly pause the video whilst I build it. Okay guys, we have our team that I'm going to use. Alright then, let's attack. He's going to use the Archidon tactic. I'm going to use the Spearton and the Archidon tactic. Do I have Archidon's fire? Yes I do. Eat that, you idiot. Mwahaha. Yes, I killed his wizard with it. Haha. Only 5 damage? Is this a joke? I have this lava skin and only 5 damage per flip. Only 2 now. What? Is this a joke? Okay, 5 again. Good. But still, is this a real flipping joke? Anyways, let's just kill everything that they have and yeah, just finish off this battle. Oh wait, no. This guy could actually take over. Don't you dare take over. Ha! We did it, guys. Let's do this. I could care less. Oh, not my fault. You're so sad. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna quickly pause the video and yeah. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye. Okay, now goodbye.